The day I realized nobody's coming to save me. No one's coming. I learned that the hard way. Not when things were going great, but when they started falling apart. There was no rescue plan. No mentor knocking on my door. No magical investor. No right time. Just me and a business that was bleeding slowly. At first, I waited. I told myself, maybe someone will help. I dropped hints. I posted vague things. I stayed silent, hoping life would get the hint. It didn't. Then one day I woke up and I looked at the bills, the client messages, the to-do list, and I said it out loud. No one's coming to save me, but I'm still here. That was the day everything changed. Not because my life magically got easier, but because I stopped waiting for someone to hand me a life raft and started building a damn boat. I got serious about systems. I tracked every dollar. I followed up with every lead. I built offers that solved real problems. I stopped trying to be impressive and started being valuable. It wasn't easy, but it was real, and it worked. If you're in that same place, staring at the mess and wondering who is going to fix it, let me say it to you the way I said it to myself. No one's coming, but you're still here. And that's enough to begin. DM me fix, and I'll send you the exact worksheet I used to turn my business around one step at a time.